Good evening, my lovable students. Today, our topic is adverb. Understood? आज आम adverb विषय पढ़ा. So, adverb. It tells about the verb. Simply, जदि आम डिस्कस करिवा ताहले adverb is a word or a group of words that describes or adds the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. ये कौन जे क्रिया को मॉडिफाई करे कि एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करे अंडरस्टूड से हूँ एडवर्ब ओडिया कहवा गले जो पद क्रियापद को विशेषित करे जो पद क्रियापद को विशेषित करे ताको क्रिया विशेषण पद कहुए टेल्स अबाउट द वर्ब तो एडवर्ब यही विषयटी को आरंभ करने पूर्वर आम प्रथम देखा केतोटी टर्निंग पॉइंट हाउ तेरे में देखिए हाउ हाउर अर्थ किपरि स्विफ्टली इट इम्प्लाइज हाउ क्या रिफर कर स्विफ्टली स्वीटली केयरफुली लाउडली क्विकली सॉफ्टली एटार जो स्विफ्ट स्वीट केयरफुल लाउड क्विक एवं सॉफ्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज एडजेक्टिव चेंज इनटू adverb by using ly. Understood? ताहले how adverb of manner मैं जस्ट मु गोटे क्लिपिंग दउची how रिफर करूची काहकु ना adverb of manner. After that I have also mentioned 10 kinds of adverbs. Let's go to when ऊपर हमें देखिया वर्तमान जोटा कि टाइम को रिफर करूची जो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम मु निश्चित भाव में कहबी आई हैव ऑलरेडी केप्ट ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑन एडवर्ब्स व्हेन हम देखिबा आफ्टर नाउ बिफोर टुमोरो टुडे नेवर यस्टरडे अंडरस्टूड एगुडी सब हम एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम रे व्यवहार हुए हैला आफ्टर नाउ बिफोर टुमोरो टुडे दैट डे यस्टरडे सब एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम रे व्यवहार हुए लास्ट डे नेक्स्ट डे लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट होयर आम देखिए होयर एवरीवेयर एनीवेयर समवेयर अपस्टेयर ये सब कौन ना एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस रे व्यवहार हुए कोठी ना एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस रे व्यवहार हुए आउटसाइड एनीवेयर हियर समवेयर अपस्टेयर तले आसंतु जानिबा एडवर्ब कौन मु कहिछि जो विशेषण पद क्रियापद को विशेषित करे ताहाकू क्रिया विशेषण पद कहा जाए. Adverb is a word or a group of words that describes or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another it will be another adverb or a whole sentence. Then आउ कौन हो पारे an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. ताहले verb को modify करिवो आउ का को adjective को modify करे or any other adverb that will be also modified. It is said to be modified verbs. Understood? Each of modify verbs, adjective and adverbs. तो पिला माने without wasting time let's start आसो जानिबा 10 प्रकार एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम बिफोर एगो लेटली येट नाउ सून यस्टरडे टुडे टुमोरो लास्ट वीक ऑलरेडी नेवर व्हेन व्हेनेवर व्हाइल एज सून एज आफ्टरवर्ड्स इमीडिएटली यही सबू शब्द गुड़िक एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम रे व्यवहार हुए. So my lovable students, you all should mug up all of these. Understood? While if any questions will come on adverb of time, immediately you can pick out the correct answer. Understood? Mu repeat kari dଉଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ before, ago, lately, yet, now, soon, yesterday, today, tomorrow, last week, already, never, when, whenever, while, as soon as, afterwards, and immediately. Let's know about it. adverb of time tells us when an action takes place for how long. ताले adverb of time हमको कौन सूचित करे, इंडिकेट करे ना गोटे एक्शन केते बेले एवं केते समय पर्यंत होई थाए. It answer the question. Let's know. I have kept some examples. So my lovely students, you could have on seeing this EG, you are thinking that what does it mean? It means example Gracia, for example. She has not come yet. I mean, yet use I have already discussed those adverbs of time. It refers to adverb of time. It refers to adverb of time. ताले बासु देखिए पिला माने adverb of frequency. Understood? So how many times an action occurs? Always व्यवहार हबो, once व्यवहार हबो, seldom व्यवहार हबो, usually व्यवहार हबो, rarely व्यवहार हबो, adverb of frequency रे. Then adverb of frequency are put before the main verb. ताले पिला माने verb हमर दुई प्रकार main verb auxiliary verb. ताले main verb पूर्वरु adverb of frequency रो व्यवहार होई था. बोला? But if B is a main verb, जदि सेठारे B main verb हुए, then in case the auxiliary verb is absent, जदि सेठी auxiliary verb नाही, adverb of frequency is put after B. मैं एक उदाहरण टे मध्य मु रखिछि. She often plays on Sunday. लक्ष्य कर. She often plays on Sunday. एटे कौन मेन भार्ब ही अच्छी. जदि ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब ही थांता ताहले कौन ही थांता कौन कहली मु इफ बी इज मेन भार्ब जदि से बी मेन भार्ब अच्छी किंबा कौन इन केस ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब इज एब्सेंट ताहले एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज पुट आफ्टर द बी भार्ब. जदि ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब नाही ताहले मेन भार्ब पूर्व रे ही कौन व्यवहार करिवा ना एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी. तेल कौन आम ऑफेन यूज कलु सी ऑफेन प्लेज ऑन संडे. ताले आस नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल को जीवा. रोहन डजंट ऑलवेज ईट पिज्जा. ताले एटा कौन एटा बी भार्ब रहिछि. बी भार्ब परे आम कौन एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी यूज करबा जदि बी भार्ब रहिछि. रोहन डजंट ऑलवेज ईट पिज्जा. करेक्ट. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पेरेंट्स आर यूजुअली हियर इन फेस्टिवल. Parents are my lovely students. Then let's come to another example. Parents are usually पिला मन देखो एठे कोन बी भार्ब अछि. बी भार्ब थिले हम कोन करिवा एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी को बी भार्ब परे यूज करिवा. जदि हमर ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब नाही त कोन कली मु ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब नथि मेन भार्ब पूर्व यूज करिवा. जदि रहुछि हम मेन भार्ब प्ले जेडी मेन भार्ब मु तो कहि छी भार्ब टू काइंड्स. verbs are two kinds, main verb and auxiliary verb. Parents are usually here in festival. एडी कोन एडी बी भार्ब अछि ना. बी भार्ब थिले हमरो एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी बी भार्ब परे व्यवहार हुई. जदि बी भार्ब नथियो मेन भार्ब थिबो ताहले मेन भार्ब पूर्व रे एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी व्यवहार हुई. My lovable students, you could have understood. ताहले let's go to the next adverb of place. Adverb of place रे पिला माने मन रखिथिबो सब बेले हमर हबो here, where, wherever, everywhere, down, near, away, backward, upward, anywhere, somewhere. ये सब व्यवहार हुए कोठी ना adverb of place. Adverb of time such as always, let's know about adverb of time again. Always, often, already, just, never, which I have already discussed. Frequently, generally, usually, these adverbs are used in adverb of time. Adverb of place मु कहली पिला माने everywhere, down, near, away, backward, upward, somewhere, anywhere. ये सब शब्द गुडी का जदि मैं गोटे वाक्य कहिबा where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? तले एठी where कौन where होची adverb of place. Understood? पिला माने take a glance on these examples. So you will tell me in which adverb they refer to. Understood? I have kept some questions. Often व्यवहार होइछि मु कहिछि often, generally, sometimes, usually, normally, generally. They are usually used in adverb of time. Understood? My brother comes often every. So it कौन हम place often before comes. comes टा मेन verb. ताले मेन verb पूर्व किए रुहे adverb व्यवहार करा जाए. जदि auxiliary verb थिबो auxiliary verb परे adverb रहिथिबो. कौन हम my brother often comes every Sunday or every Friday. देखिबा he goes usually to the movie every Friday. ताले कौन अछि goes अछि. goes पूर्व रे हम adverb व्यवहार करिबा. he usually goes हबो. ले मु तो कहि सारिछि जदि मेन भार्ब थिबो मेन भार्ब पूर्व रे एडभार्ब रहिबो. जदि ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब थिबो ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब परे रहिबो एडभार्ब. सी he never talks ill of friends. he never talks एत ठीक व्यवहार हेछि कोन मेन भार्ब पूर्व रे नेवर एडभार्ब क्लोज एडभार्ब ऑफ टाइम ला मेन भार्ब पूर्व रे व्यवहार हे परिबो. जदि ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब अछि कोन एडभार्ब ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब परे व्यवहार हबो. दिस इज करेक्ट वन. D. He is always satisfied. ताले एठर मेन वर्ब किए ना ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब अछि. मेन वर्ब तो satisfied किंतु कोन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रहिथिबारु ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब परे हमें का व्यवहार करिबा ना एडवर्ब को व्यवहार करि परिबा. देन 4 नंबर हम कोन देखिबा एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर रे स्लोली व्यवहार हम सो व्यवहार हो पार साउंडली व्यवहार हो पार डिलाइटफुली व्यवहार हो पार आज मध्य व्यवहार हम. सो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर्स आर प्लेस्ड ओनली आफ्टर द इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. अकर्मक क्रिया रे केवल एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर व्यवहार होता है. देखिए पिला माने द एडवर्ब कैन बी प्लेस्ड आइदर बिफोर और आफ्टर द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ताहले ट्रांजिटिव भार्ब पूर्वर कि परे मध्य आम एडवर्ब व्यवहार करिपरिबा. हैला आसंतु देखिबा he returned immediately. लक्ष्य करो he returned immediately. करेक्ट. he returned immediately. so is there any so I have already told you return टा होछि कोन हमर intransitive verb परे व्यवहार कला. this is the correct one. After that he briefly narrated the incident to me. Incident is object here. कौन पूर्व व्यवहार है. narrated is a transitive verb. briefly this is adverb of manner. he narrated to me the incident briefly. अब कौन हो ट्रांजिटिव भार्ब पूर्व मध्य कौन इंसिडेंट ऑब्जेक्ट रोज ना तेणु ये narrated कौन ट्रांजिटिव भार्ब हो गला. ऑब्जेक्ट थिले ट्रांजिटिव भार्ब ऑब्जेक्ट नथिले इंट्रांजिटिव भार्ब. तले ब्रीफली होछि एठी कोन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. दिस इज आल्सो करेक्ट वन. आसीबा डी को ही साउंडली स्लेप्ट लास्ट नाइट. ही साउंडली स्लेप्ट लास्ट नाइट तो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं. लास्ट नाइट कोठारे सोइला को स्थान रे सोइला. ही साउंडली स्लेप्ट. Slept is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb कौन पूर्व व्यवहार होइछि. This is the adverb of manner. So listen to me. Little bit mistake. A place soundly after slept हबो. He soundly slept last night. He soundly it will be he slept soundly last night. Understood? Then come to adverb of affirmation and negation. Understood? Adverb of affirmation and negation. ये हम कौन व्यवहार करें सर्टेनिटी व्यवहार हम अपेरेंटली व्यवहार हम ऑब्वियसली व्यवहार हम नो व्यवहार हो पार अनडाउटेडली व्यवहार हो पार. लेट्स नो अबाउट इट. द वर्ड व्हिच डिक्लेयर दैट समथिंग इज ट्रू और इक्विवेलेंट एक्सप्रेशन और नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब affirmation and negation. ताहले जो एडवर्ब हमको कौन मिले जो एक्सप्रेशन नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट मिलुथिबो किबा अफर्मेटिव स्टेटमेंट मिलुथिबो दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब affirmation and negation. So which adverbs will have used there? को adverb गुडी के यूज हितो ना certainty, apparently, obviously, no, undoubtedly ला. So I have kept some examples. Take a glance on these examples. I can probably go there. Probably, understood? It refers to affirmation. He will surely give you money. It also refers to affirmation. Understood? Let's go to know about adverb of degree. It is also known as आता कौन कह जाई पारे adverb quantity मध्य कह जाई पारे adverb degree को almost fully every enough कौन almost fully every enough rather quite to really hardly यही सब adverb गुडी का हमर कोड व्यवहार हुए ना adverb of degree. तले आसो जानिबा पिला माने adverb of degree tells us the intensity of an action. कौन गोटे कर्मर भाव को प्रकाश करे गोटे इंटेंसिटी को प्रकाश करे तार केते परिमाण रे परिमाण को प्रकाश करे केते परिमाण रे कामटी हैला साधित होईछि कार्यटी संपादित होईछि. इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच हमें संगे संगे जानिबा इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ और एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटी. And almost, fully, very, enough, rather, quite, to, really, hardly, these adverb of quantities will have used there. Understood? He hardly helps around in the house. Hardly, this is adverb of degree. The juice is extremely cold. This is adverb of degree or adverb of quantity. Let's know about interrogative adverbs. How, what, when, and why. These are called interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverb is used to ask questions. पिला माने जो प्रश्नवाचक क्रिया विशेषण गुडी को कौन पे व्यवहार करा जाए ना प्रश्न पचारिबा पाई. Understood? How, what, when, why एगुडी कहउछन कोन interrogative adverbs. It introduces a noun clause हैला एगुडी को कौन विशेष्य उपवाक्य को मध्य सूचित करती है. हाउ डिड यू नो द डायरेक्टर्स? टेक ए ग्लांस माय लवेबल स्टूडेंट्स. हाउ डा कौन हाउ इज एडवर्ब ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब है. और हाउ डिड यू नो द डायरेक्टर्स. देन वेयर डू वी हैव टू गो टुनाइट बिकॉज दिस इज क्वेश्चन. अंडरस्टूड? एंड वेयर इज ए interrogative adverb. Let's know about relative adverb. Relative adverb introduces an adjective clause. ताले संबंधवाचक क्रिया विशेषण का कोना विशेषण उपवाक्य को सूचित करे बा कौन adjective clause को सूचित करे. It joins clause and sentences together. यह उभय खंडवाक्य एवं वाक्य को जग करे. That is the house where we got married. पिला में लक्ष्य करो that is the house where we get married. This is relative adverb. Understood? This is relative adverb. Then let's go to the next question. हम relative adverb को क्यों माने ना when, where, why, how. I remember the day when we first met. When we first met. It when होची आपनकर कोन relative adverb. Let's know about adverb of reason. Adverb of reason tells us the reason behind the occurrence of an action. It connects the conclusion with the argument made in the previous sentence. Adverb of reason tells us the reason behind the occurrence of an action. It connects the conclusion with the argument made in the previous sentence. So let's know. चल देखिबा एतरे कोन रीजन रहउची प्रीवियस सेंटेंस को प्रीवियस सेंटेंस को तार डिपेंड करुच्ची कनेक्ट करुच्ची तर्क भित्तिक भाव में आई एम अनवेल हेन्स आई कैंट अटेंड स्कूल टेक ए ग्लांस ऑन दिस प्रीवियस सेंटेंस हेन्स on seeing this hence you could have understood this is adverb of region. Then I was hungry देखो previous sentence को देखो पिला माने so main reason is hungry so होची तेनु adverb of region. So my lovely students, let's come to the concluding part of adverb, the last one, exclamatory adverbs. What, may, how, bravo. These adverbs express the feelings associated with the action. Exclamatory adverbs are placed in front of clauses to indicate shock. ताले exclamatory adverb कहा को indicate करे, कहा को imply करे, कहा को सूचित करे ना shock, disbelief, away जोड़े संदेह प्रकाश करुची, some other strong emotion felt by the speaker. Let's know. I have also kept some examples on it. How tall the tower is. How tall the tower is. How is a relative adverb. All the questions are easy. या होची कौन exclamatory adverb. How beautiful the rainbow is. How, this is exclamatory adverb, my lovely students. And eventually I have kept some questions on multiple choice questions for you on adverb. You should not think that your adverb completed, and I will also give you more questions on adverb. Definitely I will help you a lot to brush up your knowledge on adverbs. Understood? First question. Which part of speech do the underlined words show? My lovable students, take a glance. So I will write the question, just wait. I am writing the question now. She brought me round her view. She brought me round the view. So take a glance. See, I am calling out this one. She brought me round to her views. So I put underline mark on round. She brought me round to her views. So round, what is it? Round. It is adverb. So how it can be adverb? My question, केमिति adverb ही परिबो? She brought me round to her views. So हमें जानी बैठी an adverb is a word which modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Understood? So I have kept an example here also. I have already mentioned this question here. They are extremely poor, extremely. So this is adverb, but I was just talking about the underline word round. Question sentence ti kon thila na she brought me round to her views. Tale the underline word ta kon thila na round is modifying the verb brought. Tale brought ko se modify karuchi ko sentence re she brought me round to her views. Kon brought ko modify karuchi round. Teno modify करथिबारु the underline word round is modifying the verb brought. राउंड क्या को वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करछि ना ब्रॉड को मॉडिफाई करछि. सेंटेंस कोन ना सी ब्रॉट मी राउंड टू हर व्यूज. तेनु कोन राउंड एठी होछि कोन ना एडवर्ब हैला. ठीक अछि. लेट्स कम टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन. He dash goes to office in the weekends as his office remains short. I am repeating this question. He dash goes to office in the weekends as his office remains short. and its correct option is never. Kahi ki never illa? Never is never refers to adverb of time. Never is an adverb used to deny the occurrence of an action. Hela? Never is an adverb କାହାକୁ ଡେନି କରୁଛି ନା ଆକ୍ସନକୁ ଡେନି କରୁଛି ହେଲା। ତେଣୁ କ'ଣ ନେଭର ଇଜ୍ ଆନ୍ ଆଡଭର୍ବ ୟୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ଡେନି ଦ ଅକୁରେନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍। ଘଟଣାରେ ଯେଉଁ ଘଟିବା କଥାଟିକୁ ସେ ଡେନି କରୁଛି, କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି, ଅପୋଜ କରୁଛି। ସୋ ନେଭର ଇଟ୍ ରିଫର୍ସ ଟୁ ଆଡଭର୍ବ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍। ଲେଟ୍ସ କମ୍ ଟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 3। ଅନିଲ ହାଜ୍ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ବିନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଜୁ, ହି ଡେଜ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଟାଉନ୍ ଡଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ହାଭ୍ ୱାନ୍। Anil has dash been in Jew. He days his town doesn't have one. Question number 3. Its correct option is never. Anil has never been in Jew. It also refers to adverb of time. Let's go on to question number 4. Find the correct form of word to use in the sentence Barbie looks dash. Barbie looks. What does it mean? Barbie looks pretty. Understood? Barbie looks pretty. So why it will be? Let's know about it. The word here is being used as an adverb as it is modifying the action. Understood? Pretty is the correct one. Let's know the next question. Find the correct form of the word to use in the sentence. He carried the cookery in a dash manner. Take a glance, my lovable students. Its correct option is option B, in a careful manner. Understood? So let's know why it will be careful. Now the word here is being used as an adjective. जदि adjective होई व्यवहार होईची किंतु एता काहाकू डिस्क्राइब करिछि, नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करिछि, तेणु एठारे केयरफुल हबो आंसर। Then number 6. Ahmad reads quite clearly in this. Which of the following is an adverb? Ahmad reads quite clearly. Ahmad reads quite clearly. So my lovable students, pick out the correct answer. Which is adverb between these three words? और सठिक उत्तर होची quite. Understood? Let's come to the next question. We shall now begin to work. Here the word now, it refers to definitely, it refers to time. ମୁଁ କହି ସାରିଛି ପିଲାମାନେ। Let's come to the next question. Ali once met me in Karachi. I have not seen him since. Question number 8. So take a glance, which is the correct one? Ali once met me in Karachi. I have not seen him since. Point out the adverb of time. So its correct option is option A, once. Understood? Adverb of frequency. वो सब डिस्कस करी सारी छी। Jain often makes mistakes. The word often is an adverb of yes, frequency. Illa adverb of frequency. So he looked dash. Ita kon adverb of frequency habo. He looked dash. He looked up habo. This is the correct answer. Question number 10. The baby slept dash. Its correct option is soundly. Let's come to the next question. Adverb of degree is also known as adverb of quantity. ମୁଁ ବାରମ୍ବାର କହି ଆସିଛି adverb of quantity ମଧ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ। ପରିମାଣ ସୂଚକ କ୍ରିୟା ବିଶେଷଣ। Our college football team fought dash. Take a glance, my lovable students. Think for a while. Which is the correct answer? Its correct option is bravery. Let's come to the next question. Things are no better at present. Point out the adverb of degree. Point out the adverb of degree. No better. This is the correct answer. Jahid certainly went. The underlined word is in yes. Certainly. आम ताकू कौन कहीपर एटा एडवर्ब ऑफ अफर्मेशन भी हो पार एडवर्ब ऑफ निगेशन भी हो पार जहिद सर्टेनली वेंट 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई लेफ्ट द वर्ड व्हाई इन दिस सेंटेंस इज बिलोंग टू डैश दिस इज व्हाई आई वेंट पिला माने ये हम रिलेटिव एडवर्ब है सो माय लवेबल स्टूडेंट्स I am thinking you could have understood. If you have any doubt, definitely will mention. Understood? You should not hesitate. I am always with you. So thanks a lot. May God bless you. Brush up your knowledge and always keep contact with creative educational idea which will make your future pure and bright. Have a lovable life.